Turning your engine FH08XFS. Turning good, all compressions complete. The front engines looks good, as you can see. No damage, no broken. Compressor looks good, no damage. All nice, all good. Socket looks good. All windows looks good, no damage, no water, all nice. And on this side, engines looks good, as you can see. Gearbox look as well. All nice. And on this side, engines looks good. Starter look as well, as you can see. No damage, no broken. Altimeter looks good, in a good condition. Socket looks good. And on the top, as you can see, all connectors looks good. No damage. Plastic look as well. All nice, all good. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage. All nice, all good. And turning your engine FH08XFS.